Back down.
He refused to back down from his opinion.
Blow up.
The children are blowing up balloons for the party. Break down.
Our car broke down on the way to Samarkand. Bring up.
My grandmother brought up all her grandchildren with love and care. Bump into.
Two cars bumped into each other at the crossroads. Call off.
The meeting was called off at the last minute. Check on.
I need to check on my grandmother to see if she is feeling well. Check out.
We need to check out of the hotel before noon. Check with.
Please check with the nurse if the old man's blood pressure is normal. Come across.
Yesterday, I came across my childhood friend in the market. Come back.
Please come back soon, we miss you. Come in.
Please come in and have a seat. Come up with.
She came up with a brilliant idea for the project. Cut down.
They had to cut down the old tree in the yard. Drop by.
I'll drop by your house after work. Drop off.
I'll drop off the kids at school on my way to work. Ease up on.
You should ease up on the sugar if you want to stay healthy. Fall apart.
The old book was so fragile that it fell apart in my hands. Fall down.
The little boy tripped and fell down in the playground. Find out.
She wants to find out the truth about what happened. Get along.
They really get along well with each other. Get away.
The mouse managed to get away from the box. Get by.
Don't worry, I can get by without your help. Get over.
Don't worry, you will get over this difficult period. Watch out.
Watch out when you cross the street.
Get up.
I usually get up at 7 o'clock. Give away.
She gave away all her old clothes to charity.
Give in.
The enemy finally gave in after a long battle. Give up.
He gave up smoking last year. Go ahead.
The manager told us to go ahead with the project. Go out.
Let's go out for dinner. Grow up.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. Hang on.
Hang on to the rope, it's very slippery. Hang out.
He often hangs out with his friends at the cafe. Kick out.
If you don't pay the rent, the landlord will kick you out. Let in.
She opened the door to let in her friends. Look after.
She stays home to look after her children. Look for.
They went to the forest to look for mushrooms. Look up.
If you don't know the word, you can look it up in the dictionary. Make up.
I'll work extra hours to make up for the time I lost. Pay back.
I'll pay back the money I borrowed from you next week. Pick up.
Could you pick up that book from the floor? Put off.
Don't put off your homework until tomorrow. Put on.
She put on her coat and left the house.
Put up with.
I had to put up with these tight shoes all day. Run out.
Hurry up. We're running out of time. Take off.
We watched the plane take off from the airport. Turn on.
Please turn on the lights. Turn up.
Can you turn up the volume, please? Wait up.
My mom waited up for me until midnight.